Welcome to this in-depth look at Password Safe, a free and open-source password manager that's been around for years. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it's like to use this software, highlight its strengths, and point out where it falls short, based entirely on my personal experience. I'm not being paid to say anything here, so you're getting my unfiltered take. Starting with the interface, Password Safe definitely leans more towards function over form. The layout is minimal, and may feel outdated for users accustomed to modern UI design. However, that simplicity also brings speed and clarity. It's incredibly lightweight and fast to launch, even on older systems. It runs smoothly on Windows, and once you set up your master password, you're inside the vault where all your entries live. Setting up your password database is straightforward. You create a new safe, assign a secure master password, and that's it. From there, you can start adding entries. Each entry can include your username, password, URL, notes, and even custom fields. There are no flashy animations or syncing features built in, which some may see as a downside, but others will appreciate the added security of keeping everything offline. Password Safe doesn't rely on cloud storage. That means your data stays local, which is a huge plus for those who care about privacy and minimizing online exposure. Of course, the flip side of this is that you won't get cross-device sync unless you manually copy your database between machines or use an external syncing tool like Dropbox, which some might find inconvenient. One of the strengths here is control. You're not locked into a proprietary ecosystem. Password Safe is open source, which means anyone can inspect the code, and that transparency builds a lot of trust. It also gets regular updates, not flashy ones, but thoughtful, security-focused updates from a community that clearly cares. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to password generation, Password Safe includes a built-in generator. It lets you customize length, character sets, and other preferences. The passwords it creates are strong and randomized, which is essential for good security hygiene. But the UI for this feature could definitely use a little polish. It works, but don't expect a modern or guided experience. There's no browser extension, no autofill, and no mobile app, and that's going to be a deal breaker for some users. If you're someone who wants seamless integration across your devices, this might not be the best fit. But if you're security focused and willing to trade convenience for control, it's actually a great option. Backing up and restoring safes is easy and reliable. The file format is well documented, and you're always in full control of your data. I especially appreciate that Password Safe doesn't try to upsell you or lock features behind a paywall. Everything it offers is free, and it stays true to its open source philosophy. Overall, Password Safe is a niche tool, not for everyone, but perfect for users who value simplicity, transparency, and local-only security. It's not the slickest tool out there, but it's dependable, lightweight, and powerful in its own right. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.